What's the meaning of agave? Agave. 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 Agave is a term that refers to a genus of succulent plants native to the Americas. These plants are known for their rosette-shaped leaves, which can be thick and fleshy, and their ability to store water in their leaves, making them well adapted for arid environments. Agaves are used for a variety of purposes, including the production of tequila and other alcoholic beverages, as well as fiber for textiles and paper. They are also grown ornamentally, prized for their unique shapes and textures, and are a popular choice for landscaping in dry regions.